Well, here we have a 2016 Audi A4 3 litre TDI Quattro S-Line Avant automatic in scuba blue metallic with the grey S-Line leather and Alcantara interior. One former keeper from new, perfect Audi main dealer service history, last serviced at Colchester Audi just 1,000 miles ago. It's been serviced and maintained by them from new, straight pass MOT till August 2021, straight pass with not a single advisory, virtually brand new Michelin tyres all round. You can see that they're very recent, the tread depths are virtually brand new, and the condition of the vehicle is first class, as you'd expect for something which would have cost probably somewhere around the £50,000 mark brand new. It's got so many options and extras on it. It's got the dynamic LED headlamps with the intelligent high beam assistant. It's got Audi's Parking System Plus, which has got parking sensors to both the front and the rear. It's got the 18-inch S-Line alloys, S-Line badging all the way around. It's got the automatic power folding door mirrors, the under handle lighting, which is a nice touch. You've got the strobing dynamic indicators to the rear, which is one of the later introductions from Audi, and you've got an electronic tailgate which you can use from the remote control key from the handle, or you can just swipe your foot underneath the vehicle like so. Sometimes you have to do it once or twice. I think it must be something to do with my footwear, but you've got a nice sized boot in there, and again trying to get this to close. I think there's a knack to it. There you go. Easy when you try. If the contactless doesn't work for you, just use the key or the button. Now, it's keyless entry and keyless engine start. The interior, as you can see, is really immaculate and unworn. Got some lovely extras in this car. The main ones are the Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system, which is a nice, very high quality sound. You've got fully electrically adjustable seats in the front, which has driver memory settings. On top of that, you've got the fully digital virtual cockpit, which I think is one of the best extras that the car offers. So you've got a fully digital dash, keyless engine start. Got some nice refinements inside here, like heated seats, a nicer finish to the climate than the previous shaped Audi, and like seamless edged mirrors, it just makes a difference. The screen is much better quality. You've got Audi MMI Plus and Audi MMI Touch, which means you can draw your phone numbers or sat nav addresses on there just with the tip of your finger. It's the latest style 7-speed automatic gearbox. The virtual cockpit is incredible. When you light that up, you can have the satellite navigation or Google Earth or even Google Street View straight in front of you. You can raise the size of the dials, or you can put them into a smaller mode so you've got a larger view of sat nav. On top of that, you can obviously go to any other screen that you would like to put onto the digital interface. I prefer the look of the sat nav with the reduced size dials, but if you want it more prominent, you can just have them made bigger like that. That's in addition to the main screen. So overall, you've got a fantastic view from the driver's position here. Everything's really top quality. You've got this really lovely robust S-Line steering wheel with paddle shift and multi-function controls for just about everything. You've got voice activated control, speech recognition, cruise control, and you've got all these driving modes as well, which is just selecting the various modes of efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic or individual, which is a nice touch. I think I've covered most of the optional extras on here. As I say, you've got memory seat settings here in the door, and I've no doubt missed a load, but if you check the advert that goes in conjunction with this, I have listed the full factory spec and all the individual options because there's so many of them. It's a really lovely car. I'll start the engine now and see if you can appreciate how smooth this is. You might not appreciate that watching a video as much as I can sat in the driver's seat, but it is quite honestly as smooth as velvet. It is lovely. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.